What's going on, team? Today is Friday, same day expiration. Today is September 30th. We had some PCE information come out at 9:30. We have a Fed speaker speaking at 9 o'clock, another one speaking later on in the day as well. A lot of information coming out today, so definitely want to be cautious with the overall market. Right now it's 9:32, so the market is actually open. Looking at the market open right now, you can see the 20-day wants to cross down. Looks like we may actually start to pull back right now. 180-day, if we jump over to this chart, 180-day is looking kind of bearish. We're holding below that 180-day trade line as well. So definitely want to be cautious with the overall market. We've been trading in a range. Like if I push these over here, we've been trading in a range. Let me show you the 180-day. We've been trading in a range, basically trapped between that 371 and these 358 levels. Need to see a break of 358 and basically a retest of it before we can start basically going a lot lower. If you guys look at maybe even the 5-year chart, you can see that we've been lower, like below that 358. We could actually go lower from that 358. We could go to 354. Maybe we had some basically resistance over here. And then once we break that, we could start going down towards like 340s. So definitely want to pay attention, see what's over going to happen. You can see the 5 years cross down with some room to the downside. So you got to see how the overall market's going to play out. The information we got this morning so far wasn't that great, but we still need full cooperation from the charts, so we could have some full basically direction on overall what's going to overall happen. Looking at the 15-minute over here, 15-minute is crossed down, but the RSI is a little bit more on the oversold side. So I'm expecting some type of bounce. Got a lot of choppy zones, so still waiting for confirmation. That's why I'm doing this while market is opening. And I had basically was running a little late this morning. Looking at Tesla over here, let's jump over towards the 20-day. Just focus on this chart. It's my 5-minute, keeping an eye on the SPY. Looking at Tesla on the 20-day, you can see Tesla's a little bit on the oversold side. So for long positions, we could watch for the break of 269. Then we could start retesting that 272, which was a previous support before. You can see we kind of wicked down over here towards that 263. Just want to double check on that 180-day chart. Yeah, so on the break of 263, could possibly see some downside on Tesla. I'm just sent some alerts towards that 256 level over here. Next stock we want to talk about is Amazon. Looking at Amazon, Amazon's been trapped sideways as well. 118 and that 111 zones have been basically very much resistance over here and support. So I want to see how we're going to basically break off over here. Amazon is trying to hold below that 180-day trade line. That is a bearish signal. So watch for the break of 111 down towards like 106. If not, zoom in again. Watch for the break of 115 towards 118. Last but not least, Meta hasn't been doing so good, but it looked like it's kind of finding some type of support. Hit 132, bounce, kind of trading sideways. Very low volume right now. I probably wouldn't even trade this one today just because you can see this is the 4-hour. We're not really even doing any real moves over here. Volume looks a little bit low on Meta, but definitely want to watch this to see if this basically starts to hold above that 137. Then we can start pushing up towards 142. I think that's going to be it. We switch this back over to SPY. This is basically how I have my chart set up for day trading. Got my 5-minute over here. Got my 15-minute over here. Got my 20-day. 20-day is trying to cross down. We could possibly get a gap down towards this 359. I'm gonna let you guys go. Let me just double check the 1-minute. I think the 1-minute's crossing as well too. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll see you guys in the next one. There you go. Getting that drop. Let me see if I could capture some of this. I'll see you guys in the next one later.